Imagine attending a school where there's only one toilet that is used by so many students. Imagine going to a toilet with no closing door, a smelly toilet without any toilet paper. Imagine a situation where a little girl is in a school and her messes come when she has nothing to do or when she doesn't have any idea on how to handle it.
My first time to experience my periods, I was in class, felt like the stomach was paining me. I went to the toilet, thought that I can go and defecate. From the toilet, I saw blood on my knicker.
Imagine a situation where your pad or your cloth is soaked and you have nowhere to dump it. We've seen such situations where girls reach in their messes and all they have to do is sit down in it or get their book bags and cover themselves.
Omulundi ogwasooka ogenda mu monthly period nali ku ssomero mu kiraasi nengendamu nagenda owulira ebintu ebintonnyera ngenda okulaba ng'omusaayi gumpiseemu.
Imagine a sit-home mom in a village setting like this. When her menses come, she doesn't have any proper thing to use, but just a rag.
Emyaka 14 ntandika okuyanga obutolunuma oluvanyuma neebuuza kisuuba kale mpya nga njagala kugendako emmanyi natuukako emmanyi okusanga wansi nagenda kulaba ndaba musaayi nemugamba maama ndabye omusaayi kuyo omusaayi ogulabyewa wansi mubukyala oyo n'agamba okuze mwana wange naye jangu tugende enkulage ayize essuuka yali nkadde nagiruzaako bupadding bwali buna nangamba kati bupaadi buno obulaba nti obukwatanga n'obuzinga bwo nangikizanga bwe babuzinga bulungi nangamba kati njagala obanga otaddeyo kano akagoye okajjangayo oba ssaawa 6 oba okataddeyo ku makya okajjayo ssaawa 6 n'onaaba ako n'okwoza n'okaanika naye kale zino zipaadi ze tufunye olwaleero ate sizikozesangako.
They get a cloth like this and then fold it and then get something in the shape of a pad.
Nengenda nensaba abatica nengenda ewaka senga naŋŋamba sala obugoye neeteekeyo.
Obugoye obwo bulina embeera y'okusabula kugaana obuyanga oba buukiridde naddala ng'obadde wataddeyo n'otambula n'oba ng'oli mu bantu bangi kikubuzi bali okola ki okukyusa amangu onaabe ate okole ki oteekemu akaala kati n'obeera ng'osanga obuzibu bw'okubabuka olw'akagoye ako.
But imagine a situation when a girl probably is playing and she has this under. That means that it's going to fall down. And imagine a situation when that falls down. It means this girl, many times they run out of school because they can't handle the shame.
I asked for the permission and I went back home and I told my mom each and everything that had happened to me.
And this is how these girls end up missing a week of every month from school. The girls who would have been politicians, doctors, and lawyers who would have changed their communities end up even stopping going to school completely. And besides that, there are so many diseases and infections that come out of this.
The number of times all they are reused is a lot.
As a ministry, with the help from the Dignity program, we go very deep in the villages and to very poor schools. We train and give support to the HIV women and to girls who in some way had lost their esteem. So the idea of this project is to help restore the dignity of a woman and of a girl. We provide sanitary pads when we get support twice a year. So we give them pads that can carry them for at least half a year. And when we get support, we provide other sanitary that can carry them for the rest of the year.
Yes, Baba Wayfe. When you say you're gonna live, I see me way Baba Wayfe. When you say you're gonna live, yes, Baba Wayfe. When you say you're gonna live, I see me way Baba Wayfe. When you say you're gonna live, I see me way, I see me way, I see me way, I see me way.
We thank you for your respect you've given us. So Lord bless you.
Kubanga ate bw'okozesaako wene bino zino zibaleese n'enkola gye baatuleetera ate toyagala kuddayo kukozesa nkozesa eri gye twatandikirako gye nagambye saagala kuddayo.
I want to thank so much the Dignity program for being part of this amazing, amazing program. Thank you so much for sending us to reach our communities, to reach our fellow women, to reach the young girls. And we want to appeal as well to those who want to be part of this. It is very open, the door is open. Please come and support us, come and send us.
Nebaza buli muntu yenna ataddemu ssente ze. Buli omu yenna yeebale. Beebale nnyo tuwa paadis. Kubanga bukyanga tubeerawo tetuzikozesanga.
May the good Lord richly bless you.
I see me way Baba Wayfe. When you say you're gonna live, when you say you're gonna, when you say you're gonna, when you say you're gonna live, when you say you're gonna, when you say you're gonna, when you say you're gonna live.